channel. In today's video we're going to continue with the office. I'm so excited. We have lots of DIY to do today. We're going to wallpaper the ceiling, we're going to make my desk and some art, and we're going to decide what we're going to do with the dressers, if we're going to keep one or not. So many decisions, so much to do. We're going to start with the ceiling, and yes, I know I should have done that before I painted this one. I know. But we're going to do that now, and I'm so excited for it because I have the most beautiful wallpaper I have ever seen. It's woo! It's beautiful. Isn't it gorgeous? It's so beautiful. The light blue, it's not that light, but the light blue of the two colors I used, it matches the light blue in the wallpaper. And that's why it matches so good. And the dark one is just to bring some depth in the shading when I want to have the light wash effect. That wallpaper inspired everything in this makeover, except for this one. Because this was a last minute decision this year, right now, when I started YouTube again. Because this one would have been brown or black if I had continued with my previous design plan 12 months ago, before my pregnancy. And I'm so glad that I didn't do that, and I painted them light because I think they will be matching much more, not so dark in here, but give something back to the wallpaper, to the design, even for that desk over there, because we're going to keep that one and we're going to conceal that with something else later on. I will not ruin the surprise for you. I have talked too much. So let's begin with the wallpaper. And my husband is going to help me because it's easier to wallpaper ceiling when you're two and not one. I have measured my first length, and it was 2 meters 45 centimeters. So I'm just going to measure it up and take some more 8 centimeters so I can cut the excess off later on when I have it stuck on the ceiling. So I'm using this non-woven glue for it. I'm just watching on the wallpaper how I should apply it, and it said I would apply the glue on the wall, in my case the ceiling, and I'm just going to have this line here as my guideline, as my straight line. So we're going to go with that one. Nej, det är det jag inte gör. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Woo! Woo! Success! It's this! I'm so happy! Okay, don't jinx it.
Take the breath.
Take the breath. Lean on me. Wow! Oh my god, it looks so good! It's beautiful! I am astonished how I did that! Wow! I did that! Wow! It looks so good! Okay, so that was hard, but Okay, so I am already so sweaty just for one board. So we're going to do the next one, and now I need to see where the pattern matches so I can cut my length on the board correctly so we can match it up here to the other boards. If I've been clever, I might have done it before, but I didn't know where, so maybe not. And if you have a better idea how I would do that, let me know in the comments below so I can do that the next time I'm going to wallpaper the ceiling. So if you have any tip, let me know. And now I see I have an angle there. Oh my god, what to do, how I do that. I need to have the whole length. It's 3 meters, I think. Okay, I need to do some math before. That length is 3 meters, and this was 2 meters and 45 centimeters, and we have an angle over there. Just let me show you. So, hello. So my angle here. Where is it? Where is it? Here. Yes. So from that side to that side is 2 meters and 45 centimeters, but from that side to there it's 3 meters. So I need a board that is 3 meters at least from our marking, and then we come here, we can cut and just fold it in. So that is the plan. Sometimes I wonder what is wrong with my head. Why do I do this? Why do I do this? But it's worth it. It looks so good. I have one board up. I absolutely love this wallpaper and it's so magical. I'm so excited to get it up because I can see it in my mind with this blue line wash effect. Looks like almost like cloud, and you get the flowers, the castle up in the ceiling, and you just, I don't know, but I think of that My Little Pony episode when this is real old My Little Pony, like in the 90s, not the new one from 2020. Back then they have one episode where they flew up to a castle that was moving around in the clouds. It was one of my favorite episodes of My Little Pony. Let me know in the comments below if you have seen it and you know what I'm talking about. Okay, I got it! Please hold it over here, please. Thank you, if you can reach the red one. Office is coming along. It looks great. I love it. I'm absolutely thriving in here. It's gorgeous. I can't wait to show you guys. But we have lots to do left because we have this corner left to do, we have this corner left to do, and we have this left to do. So as you can see, I have already taken down one piece of this dresser. I have actually thought about this a couple of days now, and I have decided to take one of these down so we can have this beautiful wall have its own moment, if you want to say. So the plan today is to finish this dresser up so we can move on to the next step. Let us fix the light also before we put up the door. Oh, it works! Bring the shows in. Houston, we have a problem. I can't remember what shelves we have here because these are the same size and it doesn't fit here. Was it glass shelves? And if it was, where are they? That took just 2 minutes. So, woof! So I kept the old holes because I was pretty much 90% sure that I wanted to reuse these one. So I kept those, so I'm just going to use those again. And that saved me the trouble to measure out where I would put the screws. It saved me a lot of time actually. What? Look at that! Beautiful! Oh, I love it! Gorgeous! Wait, something is wrong. Oh no. Okay, we will try and fix that. Okay, now it closes. Okay, let us do that on every single door. Yay! Please do not get in my way. Okay, so this rug is from my daughter's room. We are doing a makeover in that room too, so stay tuned so you can see that one. But I snagged this rug because she's going to get a new one. And I think this one is perfect in here because we have so much pad up there. So I want a more neutral, subtle rug on the floor. And this is so soft, so we will going to use this one. Right? Yes, right! Right! Yeah, right! Oi, oi, oi. Let us try. Ghost! Woo! Okay. So let's carry in the table and see how it looks in here. So this table I found on Facebook Market and I got it for 250 Swedish crown. I think it's around $25 and it's gorgeous. See how it looks. Okay, you squish it under. You guys are going to go with me and Ghost and go out and see some nature and see what we can find for materials for our DIY art. So, come on, let's go out. Guys, it's coming together. So we were out and got the material. So now I'm just going to show you what we're going to paint on. And we will just use this IKEA. It's called, what's it called? Oh my god, the name just flew away. I want to use it because I want to put it here. And we will have some lights behind. I know, it will be so cool. So we're going to actually do this outside because this will be messy and I don't want to destroy anything in here.
Underdog. I did not fear not one of y'all. They thought I was underdog. I did not fear not one of y'all. They thought I was underdog. I do not fear not one of y'all. They thought I was underdog. I did not fear not one of y'all. I'm too competitive. I like the narrative. That I'm the best in the league. Who you comparing with? That is embedded in top of the throne. It is me. How you moving so when it's speed? I just been bringing the heat. I just been bringing the. I just been bringing the. I just been bringing the. Bringing the. Bringing the. Bringing the. Good. Bringing the fire. And they can't stop me. We're bringing the fire. We're bringing the fire. And they can't stop me. They know that I'm bringing the.
It is a new day and we have not much left to do in this office. It's coming together. The artwork has finally dried, so we're going to put those up. And then we're going to tackle this last corner in this room and then it's done. And of course, decoration, the final touches. So let us put up the artwork. Here is the artwork, one of them. The second one. I love this. So I have bought this double-sided tape that will hold 100 kilograms per meter. Then we're just going to use this one. Hey guys, future me here. I'm just going to pop in here and say, don't use that tape. It didn't last long and I just ended up using screws instead. So don't use that tape. Wow! I have turned you guys around and what we see here is our hallway and entryway for the house. And here's where we come into the office. So this corner is straight to the left. If you recognize this piece, the top piece at least, it were on that side. And then I thought, okay, what will we do with it? Because I don't want to throw it away and I need more storage in here. So I thought, okay, we can build our own bookcase with IKEA Bestå dresser, and I think it's in other language, in other countries, I think Bestå is called Bestå dresser. So we're going to DIY the dresser so it matches with this one. Okay, we are going to use some wood peel and stick wallpaper. Huh? Looks great! Wow, what a transformation! That was easy, fast, and it's done. It is actually time for the final touches! Ah! The moment that we have waited for, the reveal. The office is finally done and I absolutely love this. So, no further ado, let me show you the reveal. Wow, what a makeover! I am absolutely in love in this office. And I'm looking so forward to do more DIYs with you guys in this office. I absolutely love this one. And the ceiling. Wow, I think I want to wallpaper every ceiling in my house. Do you? Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Was it too drastic or was it a perfect touch of coziness and wow effect? Once again, I absolutely love this makeover. Let me know in the comments below what you think about it. I would love to hear. And if you like this video, hit that thumb button and subscribe so don't miss upcoming makeovers and DIYs. I have so much fun to show you guys. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I see you next week. Bye!